right here is a very cool collector item. Yeah, watch this. It's just opening, no magic trick. But I think it's cool. So why this box put in this? It's a collector item. Actually, it's a stolen cards. I write it down. 52 stolen card inside. I stole from other magician. Let me explain. There's nothing. It's all the cards from different the deck of cards. So this one is like the pig.
Yeah.
It's like a cow. Oh. So many cards. It's ice cream. I love some cute cards. It's like luxury brand. Okay. All the cards is back to different. And maybe I take this one and this one. Let's do something. Use these two cards. And I want you to do me a favor.
Yes.
All the cards different. I deal the card like that. Maybe you deal the card by yourself, okay? You deal the card like this. Yeah, can do that? Deal the card, deal the card. Anytime you want, you stop.
Okay. There.
Sure?
Yes.
One more or two more?
One more, two more. Okay.
Up to you, up to you.
One. Okay.
One more, no? Right here. Okay, we put one card here.
Okay.
It's your turn. You just simply to do like this, okay?
Okay.
Deal the card one by one. Deal.
Right here.
Or maybe one more or two more. No? You sure?
Yeah.
You sure?
I'm sure.
Wow. I don't know why. You put one more card, but you won't stop right there. Let's take a look. The result. I'm not too sure. This is so weird. So many beautiful design, and you stop. Is your card 6 hearts and 6 diamonds? Stop right here. Oh, luxury brand. And you stop. Oh wait, it's the same back design, but different color. I know. It's like a coincidence, right? It's a coincidence. But I say I'm going to show you a miracle, and your card is. Wow, because one more card exactly match the back design.
What?
And I'm not too sure. You take the card. Come, turn it over. Whoa!
That's so cool.
You guys amazing. I forgot to show you the back. This is the back, but the face is exactly the same. That's so weird. I don't know how. You tell me. But one thing is so weird is I don't know how the back match, the face match. Because every time I steal the card from other magician, my favorite card is Ace of Spades. It's all Ace of Spades. So I don't know how you can choose it. It's entire deck of cards. Ace of Spades. Ace. One Ace of Spades. But you choose this. This is a miracle.
Yeah, it's really cool. I've actually never seen one like this. The tricks.
You can take a look if you want. Yeah.
Yeah, like
It's very cool
why are you
design.
lying?
I collect this for a long time.